there you are. It comes with a battery. Hey, James Jolokia here again. I just made my video the other day about the Packy One Chip Challenge, and I told you I would be making more videos more frequently, so here's another one. This one's a little different today in the fact that it is not food related. I got something that I am very excited about. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. And so today I'm going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing for a Sony A7r4. This is one of the top of the line, one of the best cameras on the market you can get. Functionally, it's for both camera and video, for stills and video. So I do a little bit of both, obviously. A lot of you may not know, but I am an avid. I ordered this camera from a local store here in Saigon called Phu Quang, and they actually gave me a pretty great deal on it, about 75 million dong, which works out to, I'd have to do the conversion right here. US dollars, I'm not really sure at the moment, so I'll post that there. I got the A7r4. They gave me this really cool backpack, which I'll open in a second. It's a Sony Alpha backpack, and a shirt, some focal cards, which I won't really get into that, but they're there. Some masks, because of course we're having a lot of coronavirus right now, and I guess they want me to stay safe and healthy. That's very kind of them. And last but not least, a 64 gig high-speed SD card. So I'll be testing this one. I haven't used this particular. It's a Sony, so I'm sure it's pretty good. So let's start with this shirt here. I have a feeling, yep, I won't be wearing this. Not sure if the camera shows it, but I'm not this small, so that won't be going to me. But that is definitely, you can see it from a couple countries away. So there is that. There's the masks, of course. 64 gigs. Yeah, this is going to be a good card. I'm excited about that. And the backpack. Sony Alpha. What I like about it, of course, is it's got the backside pocket for the camera. I did open this a little bit earlier, and one thing that I'm not too excited about, I have the 200 to 600 millimeter lens, which is, I mean, it's a good size lens, and there's no way that I'm going to be able to fit that in here. I can maybe fit my 90 millimeter and my 16 to 35 millimeter that I'm using for this video right now. I can maybe fit them in here alongside with the camera, but there's no way I'm going to be able to do that 200 to 600 millimeter because it's just way too big for this, which is very saddening because that is going to be my most dependable lens that I'll be using moving forward. It does have extra pockets on the side. It's got the front pocket for, it's got my SD card holders and everything you'll need for that, the battery holders, and it's got the tripod holder on the side, so that's really great. I'm really appreciative of that. Gave me free with the order of the A7R2 or 4. Now the moment that we, or at least I, have been waiting for, I'm going to open this box with this camera. I have been waiting for this camera for as long, probably longer than it came out. I've been working with what I've got videoing right now, and what I've been working with is the A7 II, and that's been working really well for landscape and architecture. I've been able to get a lot accomplished with the A7 II. Unfortunately, I am getting more into wildlife. I've been going to like Cat Tien Natural Reserve. There's places like Phum Nha in central Vietnam, and just other places in Vietnam that have really great wildlife that I haven't been able to capture as well with the A7 II, because It doesn't do high speed well, it doesn't do sport shots, it doesn't do animal because the ISO doesn't handle very well. So hopefully the ISO on this camera, I've heard great things about it. Anyway, I'm just gonna open it up. Here's all the stuff that I'll never use. Just kidding, I'll use that. All my connectivity tools. Oh, nice. Of course, my strap. Oh, this is nice. I didn't even consider this. So, the A7 II does not come with a battery charger. You have to charge, you don't have to, but out of the box, you charge the battery in camera, in the body, which I don't really like. I like to be able to charge it on a wall, you know, and be doing stuff with my camera while I'm charging. You also can't charge it as you use it. Like with the Alpha 6500, you are able to charge and use it. I think the 6500 you can charge it and use it at the same time. Unfortunately, the A7 II you cannot. I don't know about the A7R4, but it's got the charger on the side, which I really enjoy. It's got adapters. This is awesome. It came with, I guess maybe just because I'm in Asia, I don't know if they came with this in the US, but it comes with adapter plugs that you can plug into multiple kinds of. So this is the typical Vietnamese prong there, the double prong. You've got the Australian, kind of like the US. I don't even remember what they're called. The straight down, but they go at a slant. And then the UK or the European style with the three prongs, a little different than we use in the States. And last but not least, the part that I can't wait to get to. Yes. Oh man, this feels way different than I expected it to feel relative to the A7 II. The grip is way bigger. I'm gonna have to give that some time to maybe get used to. I enjoy the A7 II. It's a smaller grip, and you know I have fat hands, but I like to hold. I like to be able to cup the camera in my hands as I use it. So actually, that's not. We got that little finger groove in there. That's actually kind of nice. That might work for me. All right, so battery door is the same. One thing I did read about and I enjoy is it's got the double SD cards. The A7 II does not have that, so I'm excited about that. There have been several times that would have done me some good as far as running out of space and whatnot, because I shoot in RAW, so it shoots a little bit larger file size. Lots of connections I'm going to have to get into. It feels more weatherproof. Like the little doors are harder to open. They stick better. They feel more rubberized. So it feels like it's going to handle weather more. It doesn't have to handle it more than the A7 II, because I'll tell you what, I've put that thing through the ringer. That thing's a beast. I've dropped it into a waterfall. I've had it for 3.5 years, and it has definitely outlasted anything that I've put it through. I'm still using it right now. Yeah, there's no battery in it, so I can't really go through the functions right now or anything like that. I'm going to set everything up as soon as I'm finished with this video. But it actually feels quite nice on the hand. I'm sure it's probably, I don't know what the weight difference is offhand. But yeah, I mean, I think that grip, it's different, so it might take some getting used to, but I think it's going to be easier to hold like this. Like I said, I like the cup. I don't use the full battery backup on the bottom. Because of that, I have 6 batteries, so I just switch my batteries. I know that you know, that's not conducive to speed photography and whatnot, but it just, for me, it's personally, I prefer that. But yeah, I think it's gonna be nice. I'm very excited about this. I would like to give thanks again to Fuquang, the store I bought this from, for giving me all these beautiful gifts. They brought this camera here within, well, they said 30 minutes to an hour. It took about an hour, maybe hour and 10 minutes to get it, so that was really great of them. The card, all of the extra accoutrement they brought to me, so I'm excited about that. So thank you guys. So I'm actually gonna fire this bad boy up and see how it works out for me. See if it's got any juice on it. No power. I'm gonna have to buy some more batteries. I actually thought that it came with the same battery as the A7 II, so. One thing I think I'm gonna like, now the one thing about the, I do video blogs, obviously, if you've seen any of them. One thing the Sony doesn't have is the reversible screen on the back. It's just a vertical up and down. A7 II is like that. This has a record button on the front or on the back that I really like. I don't enjoy it on the side like the A7 II because I tend to push the camera when I'm using it, so I think that's going to be better for me. Yeah. Maybe I'll do an update with comparing two side by side. This is obviously going to be way better, but anyway, that's it for this unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and start playing with this and maybe make another video. We'll see what happens. Thanks for stopping by. I'm James Jolokia, and this is Jimmy Eats World. Ooh.